My name's Emily Davis and I'm the Nursery Manager at Abacus Day Nursery. So we partner with Newbury College for the apprenticeship programme because it's very local for the girls. It saves them travelling, and they also have the benefit of people from the local area being able to get to the college, and I just find their response times very speedy. So the skills they would gain is going through all of the 3 rooms, and because we can take children from 3 months old up until they go to school, so you're looking at 4 or 5-year-olds, they get to see hands-on experience rather than actually just sitting there learning, and they get the kinesthetic approach to their learning. So with the business goals, we like to train and give staff members the experiences to gain further education. So having apprenticeships start from when they leave college or when they leave school, it gives them that first-hand experience straight away. So full-time roles from Newbury College is I've had 4 students now since I've been manager here 6 years ago. Our first student did their level 2 apprenticeship, and she gained the whole qualification and then transitioned on to go to a school because she liked the older children. We've had another student in the last 3 years, actually. She did her level 2 and level 3, and she has now got a full-time job with us. And then I've currently got 2 apprentices, one doing level 2 and one doing level 3. And again, as an apprentice, they've got a full-time job already with us. What I would say to other businesses for partnership would be apprentices. They get to know you, they get to know the business that you work in, so you've already moulded them as such into what your business needs. They've learned from all of your staff, so they can't come in, they come in with new ideas. It's just I find Newbury College a nice place to be and to work.